Welcome to WDD's HotSpot. I'm Mike Luciano, Associate Editor, and in this week's episode we have the Do-It-Yourself Mini Boat, robot demos, advanced hand dexterity, and an artificial intelligence algorithm that teaches a car to drive itself. It's a summer, which means we're in the midst of boating season, a sector that too has been affected by the sweeping changes of innovation. For most people, boating can be a costly and time-consuming endeavor that requires a lot of maintenance. This invention, however, takes some of those headaches out of nautical navigating and still leaves you with a seaworthy watercraft. Developed by Rapid Whale, their craft is simply called the Mini Boat, which you can entirely self-assemble in your home. The boat is 6 feet long and only weighs about 50 kilograms. With a top speed of 4 miles per hour, this one-seater can be used to navigate anything from oceans and bays to calm lakes or slow-moving rivers and creeks. The company sells kits that buyers can use to put their boat together. This boat is made almost entirely out of laser-cut marine-grade plywood, along with internal bulkheads that provide flotation, even when the boat gets flooded. The watercraft is held together with glue and cable ties, and includes various 3D printed components. Fiberglass is applied to the whole boat, increasing strength and waterproofing. Propelled by an electric motor, the propeller is powered by two 12-volt batteries. Designed to last a lifetime, the kit costs $950 and takes roughly 3 weekends to build.
Dactyle is a robot that has the ability to expertly manipulate objects. It recently showcased its skills by handling a lettered, multicolored block with great efficiency. According to IEEE Spectrum, the team used 6,144 CPU cores and 8 GPUs. Together, they collected 100 years of experience through simulations in only 50 hours. The team utilized neural networks and computer software to distribute years of physical training. This greatly reduced the time of the learning process without the need for human help. Noise was also injected into the software, which helps the robot function properly when the unexpected occurs. Boasting unprecedented dexterity, the team was able to cover scenarios such as an object's friction, dimensions, the robot's actuator forces, joint limits, and more. This development may help train future systems and simulations and still have them perform physical tasks.
The secret to making self-driving cars an everyday reality may not lie with more sensors or a camera, but with an algorithm. According to the UK-based software company Wave, the quality of the learning systems will be the key factor in who dominates the autonomous car market in the coming decade. With that in mind, they tested their algorithm using a modified Renault Twizy that features a single camera on the front and the ability to computer operate the steering, gas, and brakes. They placed the vehicle on a narrow, curvy road, and within 20 minutes, the car was able to stay in its lane. Every time the car went to drive off the road, they stopped and corrected it. The algorithm penalized the car for making mistakes and rewarded it based on how far it traveled without human intervention. The company has been testing its technology on public UK roads since January 2018. That's all for this week's episode. Make sure to check in on Facebook and Twitter and cache past episodes at wirelessdesignmag.com. For the WDD channel, I'm Jennifer Hooker. Thanks for watching.